Hello Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, Alpha Price here, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another sword I want to show you, and it is Andúril, the sword of King Elisar. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. And I will show you the art box first here, and this is the front. And the back. This is a really nice art box. And this is the inside of the box. Beef with all the packaging in there. Now let's get this big bad boy out here. I'll show you all the stuff in here. And this is the COA, Certificate of Authenticity, for Andúril here. That's pretty nice. It's over and all that. This is the plaque for it. Pretty sweet plaque. That's really nice. Now I'll show you where it's going to be going here. Now I'm going to be putting it beside the sword of Elendil. Not beside Narsil here. And here are some close-ups of this beautiful sword. And this has been one of my other favorite swords to get. Very, very cool. And a beautiful sword. And it is long, as you can tell here. Such an awesome piece. You can see how long that is. And this is a long table too. And I think it's pretty much the same on the other side here. Just flip it over and see. Yeah. Very, very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Andúril, Flame of the West. And comment down below what you guys thought of this sword. And like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.